Hello and welcome to another episode of Smartphone Family History with Chris Knudsen. This year we are starting the Smartphone Family History Challenge. The goal is to add 365 new records to your family tree in 2021. This episode I am going to show you how to see how many records you have attached to the family tree this year. Let's get started. So first I'm going to click on the Family Tree app in the top left corner of my screen. This opens up the Family Tree app, and we are looking at My Family Tree in the fan chart view. On the bottom there's a More button that takes you to another menu. I'm going to click on that More button. And as you look at this menu, you see down on the sixth line down, My Contributions. I'm going to click on My Contributions. And here it shows me all of my contributions over the last several years, starting with 2012, going all the way up to 2021. Now, you can also click on Persons, and that shows how many people you have added to your tree each year. I'm going to click on Sources. This shows me how many sources I've attached every year. And I'm going to zoom in to show you I currently have attached 56 sources just in 2021 already this year. So that's how you see how many sources you've attached. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, click the like button. And to learn how to attach sources on your smartphone, watch all my other videos at my YouTube channel, Watch Me Do Family History, and click the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time.